This August bundle is so big! It's so big! It's so exciting. There's a lot of beautiful things in here. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I'm so excited. We are going to unbox the Free Spirit Bundle August bundle together. I'm going to be able to share a little bit of my heart and mind behind this very eclectic home decor subscription box. If you're new here, I'm so happy that you're here. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be reminded on Wednesday when we post a new video. If you're new here, my name is Victoria and I am an interior designer as a profession, but I also curate this little guy. Actually, this quarter, it's a very big guy. I'm not sure why I call things guys when it refers to accessories and home stuff, but anyway, I want you to see this beautiful eclectic bundle. Each box builds on the next, and I can't wait to show you that today. Something else I want you to know is that I personally do not put anything in this bundle that I have not lived with for months. Why do I do that? Well, I love the items, first of all, so I want them in my home, but I always want to make sure that every single thing that I'm choosing, that it's functional and beautiful, right? We don't do beauty without functionality here at Free Spirit Bundle. And there have been items that, actually we'll talk about that today, because one of the items I compared to another and I ended up going with one instead of the other. So all of our subscribers have received this August bundle, and today we're going to style it together, and I would love to have you join the Free Spirit family. So check out our website at freespiritbundle.com. Don't leave yet. Let's hang out during the video. Okay, here we go. So normally my team, Erica and April, they're amazing, and they do all the beautiful details of wrapping and making your unboxing experience amazing. So when subscribers open their bundle, there's actually usually white paper here, but I just wanted to show you right away what they see. So let's dive in. So I don't usually get to unbox my own bundle. This is so fun. Let's see. Something else about me, there's always fabric in your bundle. All the items get a tag, and this is where I just kind of do a little brain dump of like, these are the ways you can use this item. For those women that are busy, we also have a QR code in our bundle that has the styled pictures. So for those women who have a fast-paced life and you don't have time to hang out, it's okay. This bundle is still for you because we meet those needs, not only with our tags, but also with the QR code, which gives you a visual of what this actually says. So inside of here, first of all, I just think these are so beautiful. I've lived with them for months, have washed them, dried them, used them, and they still look great. So this is my fun waffle weave pattern. Adds a touch of texture to your everyday set of 3 washcloths. I'm made of 100% cotton and can be thrown in your washer and dryer. Yay, that's that functionality piece. I would even make a great hostess gift. So maybe you're like, I don't use washcloths. Maybe you only use a sponge. I'm kind of weird like that. Like, my sponge is for my dishes. My washcloths are for the counters. So I got really excited when I saw these. And they have a little hook to dry. The quality is awesome. Like I said, I've had them for months and months and months, and they still look great. But these are the set of 3. Why don't we open a present now? You always get 2 presents in your bundle. And what I mean by present is that you have to physically unwrap it, because this bundle is truly a gift to yourself. You deserve luxury and that moment of, I'm gonna pour a glass of wine and just hide myself and go open my bundle. Some of my subscribers do that, so that's why I told you. I feel so bad opening this. Now I understand those friends on YouTube who do unboxings when you say you feel bad. I feel bad too. My team works so hard. I need some scissors. You know what it is? I know what it is. Okay, this little guy is probably the most versatile piece in the box. You're gonna see all the different ways we're gonna go use this beauty around the house. So pretty. I just thought this was so beautiful and unique. You can put tapers in it, flowers in it. We're moving on to this beauty. So this is Bora. I am dried natural Bora, and I will add great texture to any vase in your home. You can tie a ribbon around me to display me on books, or even hang me upside down from a hook for a fun designer touch. So I was thinking, you know, August bundle, we're heading into the fall, but I didn't want quite fall yet, right? All of these things are a neutral palette. That's something as a professional that when I curate this, I believe there's something beautiful about every design style. And so that is why this is very eclectic. Let's take some of this Bora And I'm gonna show you, if the only thing you added to this was Borat, it would be great. I stole some from an open package, so we didn't have to ruin one. I actually have to take this out first. Yay, steam. Okay. What do you guys think of this? My family has 6 people in it. We are a blended family of 7, but we have 4 teenagers living with us and my husband and I, and we love bread. But I want to show you something that I purchased instead of the bread box, and then because of the functionality, I ended up getting the bread box. So I told you that I try out items. I loved this piece, but these cookies, after 2 days, not edible. They are completely stale. Now, we have teenagers, so these are gonna go pretty quick, and we just put them in. But I didn't love that, while I do love this and think it's beautiful, it's not functional because the cookies go stale, or the muffins, or the breads that go in here. So I ended up getting this because truly, in fact, it can be hard to open, but that's a good thing because it actually keeps your items fresh in here. And I'm going to show you another way you can use this if you're not a bread person, but you can still use it in your kitchen. Okay, let's move on to this beauty. I actually, for 1 second, can't remember what's in here. I'm so dumb. Oh, I remember now. Okay. This is a very functional item. So if you notice, we had metal, fabric, glass, and this is the last textured element. Whoa. Look at this beauty. So this is a wall shelf. It has 2 little eye hooks on the back, and it comes with the hardware, so you're ready to go. There are so many places that you could use this. And I said, solve your need for more space by hanging me in the bathroom. My little cubby is a perfect place for, oh, I can't tell you yet because we haven't unboxed that. Use me for decorative items, or spices in your kitchen, and more. Every quarter, I want to honor and promote another small business, and they have to be an artisan. So they hand make something for our subscribers. And this quarter, it's such yummy handmade soap, which can sit in here. We could put our washcloths in there, so fun. So when I choose scents for things, kind of like February, our February bundle had a candle, and I had the artisan send me multiple scents so that I could burn them and know which one I love. And the women loved it so much that this time I was like, do you have this scent? And she did. So Melody is our artisan this quarter, and she does an amazing job. She's actually a teacher full-time during the year, and this is her little soap side hustle. So when your soap runs out, you can contact her and keep ordering and supporting her little small business. White Citrus Artisan Soap, handmade by the Southern Soap Lady, exclusively for Free Spirit Bundle. How exciting is that? I love that. And then she gives all the ingredients, and it's soy and good for you and smells amazing. Keep going. Okay, so there's one last final item. This quarter, we maxed out at 7 items. So every quarter, you don't know how many items you're getting. It all depends on the price point and blah, blah, blah. So you either get 5 or 7. And this quarter, you got 7 items. And I'm really excited about this. Is super funky, unique, super functional. Can you guess? It's lighting. It is. It's metal, so it's fine. But we're gonna unwrap this, but lighting is such an important detail when it comes to interior design. If you can't get anything else, buy yourself some drapes and a lamp. For real, because lighting, it just makes it cozy. While it is also functional, it adds a touch of cozy functionality. I am made of antique brass, sleek and modern with a touch of rustic. I will add a cozy and functional touch to any living area, bedroom, table, entryway, or bathroom. My brass finish adds a unique pop that will go with any style. I can't wait to show you guys. Be good. And we're gonna put it together real quick. Let's assemble our lamp. I would recommend taking your tags off, and I love that this cord is really classy, bendable fabric, and this is how you'll turn your lamp on and off. 40 watt max. I actually bought 70 watt soft white halogen bulbs, like the, what is it? LED light bulbs. You can get like 100 watt and it doesn't even use 40 watts. So this is a harp and a finial. The harp and finial need to come off first in order for you to get your lampshade onto your lamp. And you just simply squeeze it together to take it off. You can put your light bulb in and then you can squeeze it back. If you have a shorter bulb, you're not going to need to take the harp off, but I just wanted to show you that you can. Okay, there's two little flat pieces on your harp that have to fit right in there and they won't go in any other way. Then you're going to cover that back up. Make sure we're straight. It's your shade. And then you're ready to put your finial on so your lampshade doesn't go anywhere. I thought this guy was so funky. I fell in love with it. Let's go put this in lots of places. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I hope you love your August bundle. And for those friends who don't have one yet, head over to freespiritbundle.com and grab your August bundle before they're gone and be a part of the Free Spirit family, and then you'll never miss out again. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button, the little bell, and please comment below what was your favorite August bundle item. Thanks again for being here. Bye guys.